Why your phone storage fills up without downloading anything, and how to resolve it. Your phone says, storage almost full, but you didn't download anything. No movies, no apps, no big files, nothing new. Yet somehow, the space keeps shrinking. Photos still there, apps still the same, but storage, gone. So what's really happening? Why does your phone fill up, even when you're not downloading anything? Let's break it down. Your phone is always saving something, even when you're not, because modern smartphones constantly create data, silently, automatically, in the background. Every time you use an app, it generates files, temporary data, saved settings, user history, performance logs, and this data stays behind. This is called cache. Cache helps apps load faster, open quicker, run smoother. But over time, cache grows, and grows, and grows, until it starts eating your storage. Social media apps are major contributors. They store images you scroll past, videos you don't even watch fully, stories, preloaded content, all saved temporarily. But temporary often becomes permanent. Messaging apps do the same. Photos sent to you, voice notes, stickers, GIFs, even deleted chats, can leave behind hidden files, taking up space, quietly. Then there's system data. Your phone logs activity, crash reports, usage statistics, performance data, all to keep things running smoothly. But that information accumulates. Browsers also store data. Every website visit leaves something behind. Cookies, images, scripts, offline content, history. Over time, it piles up. Automatic downloads are another culprit. App updates, system updates, security patches, background installs. These happen without asking you, and they leave files behind. Even after installation, photos and videos also create duplicates, edited versions, filtered copies, thumbnail previews, cloud sync versions. Your phone stores more than you realize. Speaking of cloud syncing creates local copies. Files appear online, but your phone keeps preview versions, offline backups, sync logs, and these take up space too. Streaming apps also store data, music, shows, pre-buffered content. Even when you didn't press download, they keep temporary files ready, just in case. Then there's app leftovers. You delete an app, but some data remains. Hidden folders, configuration files, temporary storage, still sitting there. And updates make this worse. New versions install. Old files sometimes stay unused, but not removed. Over time, all these small pieces add up until suddenly your storage is full without a single download. So how do you resolve it? Let's go step by step. First, clear app cache. Go to Settings, find Storage, open App List, clear cache for social media, browsers, streaming apps, messaging apps. This alone can free gigabytes. Second, review media folders. Messaging apps often autosave images, videos, audio files. Check hidden folders. Delete what you don't need. Third, clear browser data, history, cookies, offline files, temporary images. They rebuild when needed, but you regain space. Fourth, remove duplicate media. Check edited photos, burst shots, downloaded previews, cloud duplicates. Keep only what matters. Fifth, manage cloud sync. Disable offline access. For files you don't need locally, keep them in the cloud, not on your device. Sixth, delete app leftovers. Use storage analyzer tools. Look for orphan folders. Remove unused files. Seventh, clear system temporary data. Restart your phone regularly. This helps flush logs, temporary files, background memory usage. Eighth, limit auto downloads. In messaging apps, in streaming apps, in cloud backups. Let downloads happen only when needed. Ninth, Check hidden downloads. Some apps save files in Downloads folder, App-specific storage, Temp folders. Review them periodically. 10th. Update wisely. Updates fix storage bugs, but install them when needed, not excessively. The key idea is this: your phone fills up, not because of one big file, but because of many small ones, accumulating silently. So storage filling up is not mysterious. It's digital clutter, built up over time. Your phone is constantly working, saving, preparing, optimizing, even when you're not aware. And that readiness requires space. Summary before outro. Your phone storage fills up without downloads because of cache buildup, hidden media, system logs, cloud sync files, app leftovers, temporary data, and automatic processes, all happening behind the scenes. But with simple cleanup steps, you can reclaim space, restore performance, and keep your phone running smoothly. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of everyday technology, and click the next video to discover how to track your phone when stolen, because the invisible world inside your phone is always working.